Deloitte through 2026 is 20% of its organization will use AI to flatten the structure, eliminating over half of its middle management. So I think in some regards, you can call this progress. In some regards, you can call this just, some corporate orchestration BS or something like that. And here's where I think
call it downsizing with the TED Talk.
There you go. Downsizing with the TED Talk. I think how many one-on-one calls have you been on where you've had to not be a manager in terms of people development, but you had to, hey, where's that task at? Hey, I need you to stay on top of this. Hey, let's look at your to-do list you're not doing. That stuff can be automated with AI. The more we use systems and tools, there's a level of accountability that can be maintained where AI can be looking for the anomalies, tasking out work, et cetera. And I agree, that level of management where you're just shuffling papers for people, I agree, that can go away. And a large organization like Deloitte, if they could use AI to eliminate the paper shuffling, and the managers that remain are legitimately like, how you doing today, Bob? You see like you're stressed. Hey, what do we need to do? Do you need to go on some PTO? You haven't taken a vacation. You're overworked. Maybe we need to move a project around. Like that's the human element of management, right?
Right.
And I think what we're going to see is the evolution of management. I think it's fake. We've had too many fake managers that are task managers. Yeah. And I think AI is going to replace them. I think what we're going to see is we're going to see a rise and we've already been seeing this it started over a decade ago. I'm sure people have talked about multiple decades, but as we evolved from less technology to more technology, right? EQ has been going down. We are so aware of it now, but society, it's like the battleship that's going, 30 knots and you killed the power to the engines. It's not stopping for a while. It's going to keep going through the water until it finally, gets some distance down the path, and then it'll slow down. I think that's where we're at right now. Is there's just been so much momentum of the old legacy way that we're fine. Like we know EQ is a problem. We know we need people management. We know we need employee success, but the solutions are more IQ, pedal faster, build a faster horse.
Right. Use AI.
I think we're about to start see the toppling effect. And I think AI is going to be the driver of that.